Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day and I hope you have banked very good profit. Today was amazing volatility in the market and most of my traders banked 100 plus pips. Today is the last trading day of the week for us because tomorrow is a bank holiday and Monday is a bank holiday, so we had a relaxing long weekend. Let me share with you how my traders bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis in real time. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the EURUSD pound dollar and the dollar CAD pair. Okay, so if you look at the EURUSD 4-hour, yesterday we had a very beautiful long trade. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, video link is given in the video description. Today we were expecting a price action at this level. As you can see here, we have very small spinning, a bearish spinning top candle, and we have the short trade we were expecting here. Explain to my trader, look here, the price broken this previous high, and if the price is going to break this one, then I'm expecting some reversal. So we had amazing short trade here. We have taken all these pullback. We have banked amazing profit. As soon as the price hit to the major support level, we bank profit, and then we also had a counter long trade here, bank amazing profit. And if you look at right now, and price did not close below this previous low, and this is a sign because sometimes most of the retail they start buying it, and you can see here this is the market manipulation. Today we had a news for the euro and all the retail is out, and let's see next week how the market is going to perform. We'll let you know, but let me share with you guys how I analyze, and we have taken all the short and the long. If you look at the today's analysis, and if you look at, let me share with you this is the last night Asian session, pullback long, bank beautiful pips. So this morning, just before the news, as mentioned, that at this level we were expecting a breakout short trade here. As you can see, that's what I explained to my trader, look for if the price gonna break the structure symmetric triangle pattern, then we're going to take a counter short trade here. We have beautiful trade once the price broken and the news also supported, and as soon as the price hit bank few pps, then we broadcast all these pullback through live audio commentary and explain to my trader, as long as the momentum is bearish, just keep taking pullback short trade here. And our target was the previous low. As soon as the price hit this level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And let's see if we can get another pullback around this level or any pullback, because there's a still possibility price might going to break the previous low. So that analysis I broadcasted after the banking some pips. As you can see here, that was the pretty straightforward. Explain to my trader, look for pullback around this level, which you can see here, pullback is performed, another pullback is performed. As soon as the price hit to the red fib channel, which is the support level and 4-hour, that's what I explained to my trader, guys, it's time to enjoy some profit. So we really enjoyed it, and afterwards, as soon as the price reverse, explain to my trader there's a possibility of counter, let the market develop pattern. So you can see here, as soon as the market develop this pattern, we have this breakout, and after the breakout, I said to my trader, as long as the price stay above the previous high, so we are looking a long trade here. You can see here another pullback long trade here and bank beautiful pips, because we have rejection and price basically break above the previous low. That was the good sign for taking a counter long trade. We really enjoyed counter long trade. And let me share with you the pound dollar. We had a beautiful trade too, as you can see here. Yesterday we had this really beautiful enjoy profit. Today, as you can see here, we had a 200 EMA in 4-hour, plus price was at the major resistance level. Top of that, you can see here we have a bearish spinning top, that's basically indecision candle, and that give us the good significant information. And that's we said if the price is going to respect, we have a two major resistance level, 400 200 EMA, and we have sideways market in intraday, and then we bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you. You can see here, this is what I explained to my trader. As soon as the price develop a triple top here and sideways market, that's what I explained to my trader, breakout, and explained keep taking a pullback. And as soon as the price break this level, we have another short trade here. As soon as the price break at this level, we have taken a short trade here, as you can see here. As we announce all these trades through live audio commentary and help my trader to bank some profit. Our target was this level, which price nicely hit, and that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit. Okay, so let's move on to the dollar CAD. We had amazing trade yesterday. We had this beautiful short trade. As you can see here, price refused to stay above this level. We had such a nice, beautiful short trade. We back amazing profit yesterday. Today we had a long trade here. I was expecting long at this level, but as you can see here, price nicely came back here. And after that, we banked this short trade here, banked few PPs. And afterwards, we have this counter long trade here. And once the price respected this support level, and that's what I explained to my trader, keep taking a pullback. So we had amazing short trade this London morning, and a New York session we had amazing long trade, counter long trade on dollar CAD. Right, let me share with you the entries, and that was a beautiful trade, as you can see here. All right, so this morning, and that's what I explained to my trader. Once the price developed this pattern, I explained to my trader, if the price is going to stay above this level, we're expecting a long here. The price was at this level, and if the price gonna break, then we keep taking a short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely broken. We have the short trade here, momentum was bearish, and afterwards we have another beautiful, after this breakout pullback, pretty straightforward. As soon as the price hit to the support level, and that's what I explained to my trader, guys, it's time to enjoy some profit because there's still possibility of reversal. And once we bank some profit and impulsively price reverse, that give us the significant information of reversal, then I did another analysis, guys. Look for this breakout, and which we did. As you can see here, that was the beautiful breakout, and because price developed a false breakout at this level, as you can see here, we have this breakout, price 4 hour price nicely respected 100 EMA. That was a beautiful counter long trade here, and explained to my trader, keep taking a pullback. Target was around this level, as you can see here. As soon as the price hit to the 200 EMA in our intraday system, explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's wait for another pullback. So I also mentioned traders who missed this ride, I said to guys, just look for another pullback. Pretty straightforward. You can see here, price nicely developed another pullback at this level. Beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the target profit, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see, guys, how we analyze market in 4 hour, define the price section, measure big price action in 4 hour, define the buys and the sentiment, and refine the entries and exit in intraday system, and banking profit every single day. I hope, guys, you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, the interesting part of it, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where I train and teach traders with the live market through live intraday analysis with the live audio commentary support. And once they develop their trading skill and produce consistency result, I also help them to get funded. If you are interested how I coach and train in real time, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice holidays, and I'll see you on Tuesday. Thank you. Bye-bye.